Thanks for logging on to WACH.com. Meteorologist Garrett Biedenball here in the Skywatch Weather Center. And today we're going to be seeing warm temperatures here across the Midlands. As we look on our HD WeatherBug network, we can see mostly clear conditions here across downtown Columbia and much of the Midlands here today. Temperatures only went down to the mid to upper 60s for our overnight lows. And today they'll climb to near 90 degrees. That would be the first time since October 5th here at Columbia Metro that we have seen 90 degrees. Our current temperatures at 9 a.m., 75 degrees at Columbia Metro, 73 in Sumter, 72 in Manning, and 70 degrees in Winnsboro. So here's our satellite and radar going through just after 9 a.m. today, and we'll see some clouds breaking up, and we had a few raindrops overnight tonight, but the best chance of rain, if we do have a chance of rain, 20 to 30% chances, is in the evening hours once we have that daytime heating here. And you can see across the state it's 75 in Hilton Head, 76 in Charleston, still the upper 60s in Greenville. Much of the state going to the mid to upper 80s for today, and then Columbia Metro, famously hot, will reach 90 degrees, I believe. And this is what we've got going on. We have southwesterly winds today that will funnel in a bunch of moisture here across the Midlands, and that will be one of the ingredients to have severe weather set up over the next 2 days into Tuesday and Wednesday. I'll show you that area highlighted in just a second. But you can see here in the early morning hours that line of thunderstorms stretching all the way from the northern plains is where some rain is in association with a surface low and a stretching cold front all the way back down to the Gulf of Mexico. Some severe storms headed towards Nashville, the Birmingham and Huntsville, Alabama area here for today. And so that'll continue shifting to the east over the next little while. Here's our storm watch, the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for your Monday. We're seeing a moderate risk of severe weather from parts of Mississippi up through northwestern Alabama and southern Tennessee, just below Nashville, and a slight risk of severe weather with the areas highlighted in yellow here, including the upstate of South Carolina for a little bit of convection that could get going later on this evening and into the overnight hours. But you see here in the Midlands, the basic threat is just a general thunderstorm threat for us here across Columbia and all of our viewing area. But the tornado risk isn't zero today. The area is highlighted in green here. You can see that's a 2% risk from the Storm Prediction Center. So not the best chances at all. But if something does get up and get going, it could start to spin a little bit. We'll keep you updated, of course, in the Skywatch Weather Center. This is the outlook for tomorrow on Tuesday. A slight risk. Areas highlighted in yellow. So pretty much the entire state of South Carolina minus the coastal areas. A slight risk of some severe weather. We'll keep you informed here. That's going to be mainly in the evening hours and overnight into your Wednesday early morning around Good Day Columbia time. We could see some storms ongoing there. And then Wednesday, we're already in a slight risk. Already here on Monday. That's kind of rare for them to go ahead and issue a slight risk 3 days out. But this is it, and a 30% risk of some severe storms here across central South Carolina, and it's stretching up into the Piedmont of North Carolina. So we could definitely be seeing some severe weather here across the Midlands. And here's our future watch going throughout your Monday. We could see some isolated storms there going about a 20 to 30% chance for us here in the Midlands. And then Tuesday, that cold front still off to our west. It won't reach here till Thursday. It's going to be moving slow, but the line of storms ahead of it will continue on. And it'll have all that moisture to feed on with the dew points in the mid to upper 60s and right around 70s. So that's how we measure that water in the atmosphere. It'll be just ripe for development, and some turning with the winds with height in the atmosphere will allow for that as well. But for your Monday, we expect the upper 80s by 3 o'clock, 90 degrees for 5 p.m. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's that 7-day planner. 85 for your Tuesday. There's our rain chances going up for Tuesday night into Wednesday. Slight risk of severe weather or elevated risk here. Overnight lows kind of mild as well. Thursday, the actual cold front passes. 80 degrees is what we're expecting. The weekend, though, looks just great. Behind that cold front, drier air mass in place, and temperatures back down to the mid-70s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with more sunshine. Now, you can always keep updated with our Skywatch weather forecast and all the warnings on WACH.com. You can download the WatchFox mobile app, and anytime we need to get a message to you over the air, we'll also stream it online. If there's a severe weather warning or watch, we'll stream that online at WACH.com/live. You can take with your smartphone or mobile device, iPads, things like that. So for now, I'm meteorologist Garrett Biedenball. Hope you have a great Monday.